Let's work in a concept today that is reviewing unit number 9. Well, actually unit number 9 with countries, nationalities, and life. Okay, please we made two teams here, this team and the other team over there, please. Together. Okay. And that question you have to answer. You can use your book, your notes, and your help for your partner. Okay, your partners can help you. But the thing here is just one person is going to answer, but different person each time, different student each time. Okay. For example, if Karina answered the first question, choose the letter and the number. The next time is going to be Nuri. Everybody can help Nuri, but Nuri has to answer the question. You have 1 minute. 1 minute, I'm going to take the time. Just you got 1 minute. And we don't know what question is. We don't know how many points is the question. Okay, so you have to guess. You have to choose one number and one letter. Okay, do you have any questions about the rules? No? Everything is okay? Okay, let's do two teams. Team 1 and team number 2. Let's do team number 1 because you are on that side and in this side, team number 2. Okay, let's start with team number 1. Can you tell me a number and a letter, please? Who's going to be the first? Yair? Maybe? Yair, you want to start? No? Karina, you want to start? Okay. Okay, tell me one number and one letter, please.
One
and A. 1 and A. Okay. 1 and A. The question is, listen. It's 50 points. For 50 points, tell me. What are you wearing today? What are you wearing today? 3 pieces of clothes. What are you wearing today? You have 1 minute.
This year.
Okay, think about it, and when you know the answer, tell me. Okay? So you can talk together, and you have 50 seconds. Okay, 3 things. Shoes. T-shirt. How do you say pantalones in English? Your team? Pants. Yes, so that's dressing pants. Shoes, pants, and t-shirt. Okay, you do it the correct time. So you have 50 points. Okay, 50 points for that answer. Next team. 1, 2, 3. Who wants to start in that team? Okay, tell me a number and a letter. D3. Okay? D and 3. D3. D3 is the next. Say the 4 seasons.
2B.
To E.
B.
B. Okay. Or B2.
B2.
Jair. Okay. Jair. B2. Tell me, Jair, what languages can you speak? 1 minute. What languages can you speak?
One.
What language? What language?
Spanish.
Spanish. What about English?
No.
Ni poquito? English. Okay. How many points? B2. B2. 20. 20 points. All right. Next is Joaquin. Joaquin. Tell me what number and what letter? C5. C and 5. Okay. C and 5. C5. Joaquin, complete the phrase. I like to wear color. I like to wear color. What color do you like to wear? I like to wear color.
Red.
Can you say the complete phrase?
I like to wear red.
Red color. Color red. Okay. That is for 30 points. 30 points. Okay? Next. Aldo, can you tell me what number and what letter, please? 4C. 4C. Okay? 4C. No contesto. 4C. Okay. Complete the next sentence. I want to learn to tell me two different activities. I want to learn to everybody can have also. So listen, I want to learn to tell me two different activities. To learn what? Remember, you have 1 minute.
Running, soccer,
And two activities. I want to learn to
swimming,
Okay. You have to say in the correct grammar. You can say I want to learn to swimming. You can say to swimming. So try to remember what's the correct verb. You can tell me to read. Okay, think about your answer. Think about it. You have 20 seconds. Okay, are you ready? So complete this phrase. I want to learn to play soccer and okay. So you